Hello, here Carlos and Rat speaking. We believe that astronomy must be introduced in a practical and experimental way.
The shadows give us the keys to the daily and annual movement of the sun. Shadows allow us to define the meridian. The parallel earth should be present in every school. To experience the length of the day and night, to experience shadows in different places on earth and in different seasons. And also to experience temperatures in different hemispheres. We can build simple measuring and guidance instruments.
Observation of the moon, both day and night. The moon is at the base of almost every calendar in the world. We play to find the moon and to recreate two phases of the moon.
We have to build the planets to scale so that we can work volumes and distances at the same time, and have guidelines throughout the year to know which ones and when we can observe them. Do we know which days of the moon will accompany the planets? Be aware of the enormous interplanetary distances. Find amusing and exciting ways to observe the stars and their movement throughout the night and in different modes.
Learn to locate the most significant and important stars and to use optical instruments.